Something big is happening on YouTube. And surprisingly, I haven't seen people talking about it. If you observe carefully, over the few months, they have made a huge change to the algorithm. It's one of the biggest updates in the platform's history, and I personally have never seen anything like it. So in this video, I'm going to explain the big updates YouTube has made to its algorithm. And I'll also be revealing top 4 niches that are currently thriving in 2025. If you observe carefully, you will realize that these days, small channels pop out more on the YouTube homepage. It used to not be like that, at least if my memories can set me right. What is happening is that these small or new channels are getting massive attraction. This is a rare opportunity that I doubt if it will stay around for too long. This is probably the best time to make more money on YouTube than you ever thought you could, because it's now much more easier for small channels to blow up. With that said, if you find yourself asking what time is best to start YouTube, well, to answer that, the truth is, the best time to have started YouTube was yesterday. And the second best time to start YouTube is now. The new updates in the algorithm means that it is now easier for small and new YouTubers to grow and succeed on YouTube. So what you have to realize is that a lot more people will get onto YouTube once they realize that it is a lot more easier for them to succeed and grow. So to get ahead of these people, you have to start your YouTube journey right away. I've made a lot of videos on how to grow fast on YouTube. I'll leave a link to those videos up here for you to check it out once you finish watching this video. Now, let's talk about the big updates YouTube has made to its algorithm. If you observe carefully, you realize that small channels are beginning to appear all over on the YouTube homepage recently. And the videos to this channel usually will be having 100 or less views to their videos. What it simply means is that YouTube is now promoting small or new channels alongside the bigger channels. So it's an amazing thing to realize that YouTube is now recommending small channels alongside big channels with thousands and millions of views. A top YouTube executive explained that YouTube now has a dedicated team whose sole mandate is to make sure that small channels get noticed. So if you look at this is a big update that will certainly help small channels make a huge difference. Because if you look at this, in the history of YouTube's platform, this is the first time YouTube is massively throwing its support to new and small creators. So when you look at this from YouTube's point of view, YouTube makes money from ads. So the more they get new or small channels to thrive, the more they get people advertising on their platform. So when you look at this from the business point of view, it is of more advantage to YouTube so that a lot more ads would come into YouTube. And for YouTube to make a lot more profit, they simply just have to help small or new creators create more so that at the end of the day, their channels will quickly be monetized and it will be a 50-50 win for both parties. Small channels will be happy that they are getting views, and YouTube will as well be happy that they will make money from ads. Now, before we talk about the top 4 niches that are thriving in 2025, support this channel by giving this video a like. That's certainly a way of encouraging me to keep making videos of this kind. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be part of our amazing community of subscribers. Now, I'm going to be talking about the top 4 niches that are getting a lot of traction in 2025. Creating random videos and hoping that one of them will blow up is no more a strategy you can rely on. So you will need to carefully plan your content. And as times and things keep changing, YouTube is as well changing accordingly. The new algorithm on YouTube pays so much attention to human behavior. It observes and monitors everything we do. And based on that, these 4 niches I'm about to mention are niches that have proven to be areas that a lot more people are interested in. And these are niches that are simple and easy for anyone to get into. So let's get started. So the first niche I'm going to talk about is making money on YouTube. I can't start this video without talking about monetization on YouTube, especially now that making money on YouTube has drastically changed. When you are just starting out, you believe that you would have to have a lot of views and subscribers before you can start earning on YouTube. Even though you will need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can start earning on YouTube, you can now start earning on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So this is an area a lot of people are searching for videos to watch on YouTube. So you can as well take advantage of this and start making videos on this niche. The second niche you would want to consider is raw lifestyle vlog. Vlogs are simple and authentic way of documenting your day. There are so many creators that are simply just recording their daily lives and making videos of what they do or what they are working on. And these kind of videos doesn't come with fancy editing or animations. It's a way of making a raw and polished video recording. This kind of content creation is getting massive traction these days. This kind of of content creation is just a matter of living your daily life with a camera recording you. For instance, you receive your salary and you make a video on how you plan to get by the whole month with the salary you have received. So this has to do with you paying your rent, paying your light bill, paying your water bill, and shopping for groceries. So you can just pick up your phone, turn on the camera, and recording you going to pay your rent, going to pay your light bill, going to pay your water bill, and even going to the shopping center to shop for groceries that will last you for the entire month. These are just the raw, authentic lifestyle videos that a lot of people are searching on YouTube currently. You can as well make videos on a day in your life at work. This is where you record yourself waking up from bed, preparing for work, and arriving at work. You also want to record your job description and how you carry out your work right as at the time you report at work till the time you close. The next niche you would want to consider is expert educational videos. Now, as you might have guessed, this kind of content creation is all about providing your audience educational value. So all you need to do is positioning yourself as an expert in that area. This is one of my favorites because it's easy to do, and basically a lot of people come on to YouTube to learn a thing or two. This particular niche is very effective, and as you can see, that's exactly what I'm doing. To excel in this niche, you need to have a knowledge level of about 30 to 40% of the area you want to be expert in. It will also be a plus for you if you are already well versed in a particular area. So to conclude, the educational niche is definitely a niche that you wouldn't want to sleep on. The next niche you would want to consider is personal growth. This is a niche a lot of people are watching on YouTube because it has to do with someone learning something from start to finish. This is something that has to do with somebody trying to develop an area or an aspect of his life that is either a hobby or a passion. In a natural sense, a lot of people struggle to develop a habit of reading or staying consistent with reading. And you see, somebody might have been able to find means and ways to overcome this particular challenge. Once the person is able to put his thoughts together and share his journey, how he's been able to overcome this particular challenge, you get to relate with that person because he's practically telling you what you are currently going through. So once he's been able to share with you how he's been able to overcome those challenges, his story becomes helpful. It makes you feel and know how you can also overcome that challenge. So in a nutshell, this is a niche that is important in everybody's life because it helps you grow in different aspects of your life by following the pathways of people who have gone through and overcome certain challenges. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section if you are going to start your content creation journey. Also, let me know which niche you would want to explore. I've made a video on how to gain your first 1,000 subscribers. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave it up here for you to check it out. Thank you for watching, and see you in that video.